urgent request for ICRC engagement concerning the continued detention of Cambodian prisoner of war by the Kingdom of Thailand. I have the honor to write you further to my meeting with Mr. Regis Savoy, Regional Director for Asia and the Pacific on 29 July 2025, during which I raised inter alia the pressing need for committee's engagement in relation to the detention of Cambodian soldiers captured during the current Cambodia-Thai border hostilities. I wish to draw your urgent attention to the deeply troubling fact on the seizures and detention of 20 Cambodian soldiers by Thai armed forces in breach of the ceasefire which took effect at 24 hours on 28 July 2025. Thai soldiers crossed into Cambodian side of the border, refusing to stop their advance despite objections from Cambodian soldiers who were under strict order not to open fire. They offer handshakes and suggest a group photo with Cambodian soldiers in a pretentious show of goodwill while both sides were supposed to be observed the truce. Another group of Thai soldiers came out from the adjacent bushes, seized the 20 unsuspecting Cambodian soldiers at gunpoint and forcefully transferred them into Thai custody. The Thai authorities now contend, contrary to both the facts, standard ceasefire terms and international law, that the Cambodian soldiers had unlawfully crossed into Thai territory. While 2 detainees have since been repatriated, 18 Cambodian soldiers remain in Thai detention. His Excellency Ms. Mirjana Spoljarik Egger, President International Committee of the Red Cross, ICRC, Geneva. Under international humanitarian law, the legal status of these individuals is clear. They are prisoners of war. Within the meaning of Article 4 of the Third Geneva Convention, their apprehension occurs in the context of an international armed conflict as defined by Common Article 2 of the 1949 Geneva Conventions between the armed forces of 2 high contracting parties. As such, they are entitled to full protection under the GC3 from the moment of the capture. The Thai authorities claim that the continued detention is justified due to the incomplete interrogation is without legal basis. Pursuant to Article 17 GC3, a detaining power may only compel PWOs to provide their name, rank, date of birth, and serial number. Any attempt to elicit further information, whether through coercion, pressure, or extended questioning, is categorically prohibited under treaty law and customary international humanitarian law. If substantiated, such action may constitute inhumane or degrading treatment, engaging both individual criminal responsibility and state responsibility, particularly where preemptory norms, just caution of international law are implicated. Moreover, Article 118 GC3 imposes an unequivocal obligation on the detaining powers to release and repatriate prisoners of war without delay following the cessation of active hostilities. The ceasefire of 28 July 2025, brokered by the co-organizers of Malaysia as the chair of ASEAN and the United States with the support of China, constitutes such cessation. Thailand's continued detention of the 18 POWs under the pretext of ongoing investigation therefore amounts to unlawful confinement, a grave breach of the Convention under Article 113 GC3 and may give rise to individual criminal liability under Article 8(2) of the Rome Statute of the International Criminal Court. While the royal government of Cambodia welcomes the repatriation of 2 particular vulnerable detainees, one injured and another reportedly suffering from psychiatric distress, this selective compliance does not remedy the ongoing and serious violation in relation to the remaining 18 detainees. The attempt application of domestic criminal or administrative process to uniform foreign soldiers captured in the context of an international armed conflict is legally impermissible and fundamentally undermines the supremacy and integrity of the Geneva Conventions. In view of the foregoing, the Royal Government of Cambodia respectfully requests that the ICRC 1. Seek immediate access to the 18 Cambodian POWs pursuant to Article 126 GC3 in order to assess their treatment and condition of detention. 2. Engage directly with the Thai authorities to remind them of their obligation under Article 17 and 118 GC3 and to demand the immediate and unconditional repatriation of all remaining Cambodian POWs. 3. Advocate as appropriate within the scope of the ICRC mandate for the full restoration of compliance with the Geneva Convention and the fundamental principle of law of armed conflict. Excellency, the conduct at issue strike at the core of the legal and humanitarian protection that the Geneva Convention will craft to uphold. Cambodia remains firmly committed to the rule of law, peaceful resolution of dispute, and respect for international humanitarian principles. Cambodia trusts that the ICRC, under your leadership, will act with urgency and resolve to ensure that these norms are defended and that our captured personnel are returned safely without delay. Please accept, Excellency, the renewed assurance of my highest consideration. Respectfully, Darain, Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary, Permanent Representative.